All right, so today we're back to the Porsche, and actually I want to fix something today that has been annoying me since I bought this car. Now don't get me wrong, I actually love this car. I love everything about it, but the one thing that kind of drives me nuts is the built-in radar detector. So this is just going to be a quick video to show you how to turn off the K-band on your Escort radar detector so that it doesn't drive you crazy. Yep, K-band. No police around. Is that a Tesla beside us? Because I feel like the Teslas cause K-band. Oh, hi Tesla.
Yeah, maybe.
K-band! This is actually the first time that I've ever had a car with a radar detector. The previous owner installed this one. The downside is that if you live in an urban area, it goes off all the freaking time. The K-band seems to be triggered by other cars' parking sensors, other cars maybe adaptive cruise control. It seems to go off a lot while I'm around Teslas, which have various like autopilot features. So the K-band is just too sensitive. And so today I'm going to show you how to turn that off and stop this annoying sound of the radar detector going off constantly. All right, so the previous owner of my car got this nice radar detector installed super cleanly in the car. The controls are down here in the console. This is the on-off button and all the controls. And then the actual display is up here where it says auto. So it is like fully integrated, super clean. I mean, you probably spent a lot of money on this. It's really nice. All right, so the first thing you need to do, obviously, is turn on the car ignition so that the whole thing has power. But after that, to get into the settings mode, you need to hold down the volume and the BRT button here simultaneously for 2 seconds. That will put you into the preferences mode. So let's do that.
Preferences.
Once you are in the preferences mode, you can cycle through the different preferences by selecting the volume button.
Completed.
Oops. If you don't do anything, it says completed right away.
Preferences. Pilot settings. Full word.
So you can
GPS
go through,
filter on.
keep hitting volume
Auto learn
until you
on.
get to the bands. You want to wait and you want to hit volume
Speed alert on.
until you get to bands.
Meter options. Bar graph. Auto mute on. Units English. Voice on. Bands. Modified settings.
So once you want to select it, you press the BRT button.
X-band off.
Press BRT again.
K-band on.
And then press mute to change the setting.
Off.
And then you don't have to press anything, and your settings will be saved.
Completed.
All right, that's all there is to it. I mean, a lot of people online say this is a huge pain in the butt and it's really hard to do, but if you just follow the instructions, it's just a few simple buttons and scrolling through the menus. So now the K-band's off, and I shouldn't be getting those false alarms anymore.
What was that?
Laser shifting.
Laser? Laser.
That's the laser one. That one I don't want to turn off. That one actually is useful. Though I don't know why it went off just now.